Now Albert steps in 0 for 3. And that hit him.
That also hit Pujols and Mike Everett.
Yeah. So
I don't think Pujols is real happy about that either. Gets Pujols in the shoulder, then Mike Everett, and they were asking if that ball hit him. I don't think Albert's real happy. Remember in Anaheim, it looked like it was a discussion between Guthrie and Pujols.
Yeah. Ned Jones makes the move.